Hello traders, Matt Chapman here, the creator of the trademark Trap Traders concepts. Welcome to today's Trap Traders Trade of the Day analysis. Today's date is the 30th of March 2017. The trap we're going to take a look at today is one that I refer to as a major structure failure trap. Now, a structure failure trap occurs when you've got a market heading either up or down, and it pulls back and it gives the impression that it's going to follow through, okay, but it doesn't do that. It falls short and then trades strongly in the opposite direction. So same in an up move, it looks as if it's going to follow through, but it actually doesn't. Importantly though, it does make the journey in the initial stages of the move, and that's what cons people into to believe that it's going to follow through, and it doesn't, right? So looking at this example, as the market drops down to that level, it pulls back, giving the impression that it's going to follow through. When it hits the level, it starts to sell off, but it doesn't follow through. It then goes strongly against those traders. These areas and traps are nicest when they are into some sort of historical structure, right? So traders trade off the underside of previous support, breaks down through that, and then comes back in, and now they believe that's resistance. And again, critically, the market actually does react off the level, and that's what draws the trader in to take some risk. But no sooner do they go in, it nails them on the other side. So if you get a pullback into this type of region, sort of 98.50 level, this looks like a pretty good place to get long. And if you'd like to learn how we have hacked the trading strategies of the vast majority of market participants out there, and learn how to only ever enter the market when your opponent is weak, if you've ever been on a losing trade, if you've ever been on the wrong side of that and you've lost money, the feelings of losing money, the psychology of all that, well, you're in a position of weakness at that moment, and we like to act and trade against that type of situation. So if you'd like to get on the right side of that, then click the link below and come and join me in my inner circle. Take care.